Hello lovely people, welcome back to the All About DIYs 200 channel. If you're new here, thank you for joining us today, and if you've been here before, well, I'm glad to have you back. Today's video, as you can see, I'll be showing you how I took down my old mini twists and how I was able to detangle my 4C hair at the same time. If you're new on this natural hair journey, I'm sure you benefit from this video, and if you've been on natural hair journey for quite some time, I'm sure you benefit from this video as well. So let's jump right into the video. Here's the things that you need: a water bottle, lots of water, a detangling brush, a white tooth comb, or in my own case, fingers, because I just mostly finger detangle. So I'd washed my hair the day before in my old mini twists, and I had oiled it generously with my olive oil shea butter mixture. So all I've done now is just to saturate the hair with a lot of water so that I can start taking down the twists and detangling. To detangle your 4C hair, you definitely don't need to get expensive conditioners. You need simply anything that will give your hair very good sleep. In this case, we'll use water and oils. I'll be showing you now how I do this. First of all, you untwist the mini twists. You can see there's a lot of undergrowth, and above that you can see the place where the hair clumped together. This is from old snagged hairs that have settled at the base. So what you do now is you detach along the natural lengths of the hair. So you just pull apart the hair strands gently to detach any clumped edges or clumped hairs apart, and at the same time you're doing this, you're also stretching the hair, so pulling the hair away from the scalp. And then once you've done that, you're also using your fingers, in particular your thumb, to brush or rake through the hair strands along the length of the hair. So down the hair, so you're raking through with your thumb. So you're trying to pull apart and try to remove any detached hair, any shed hair, anything that's causing the clumpiness at the base there. So you do this as much as possible and finger detangle the hair, and after that you then go in with the brush. So notice first that when you're going in with the brush, you start from the ends of the hair, never start from the base of the hair when you're using the brush. So starting from the ends of the hair tips, you brush outwards and keep going up and up as you're detangling it gradually until the point where you can easily brush through the hair from the base to the ends in one go. It's at this point that it's now fully detangled, so you can now brush as much as you want, and that's it. Easy. So if you notice in this video, all we've done is there's no product in my hair apart from the oils that I put on it. I used the shampoo conditioner combination when I washed my hair the day before. I didn't put anything afterwards apart from the oils and the water now. So you can see that it's very easy to detangle your 4C hair. You need a lot of sleep, that's very important, and you know that water mixed with oil is a lot of sleep. As a rule, with handling 4C hair, it's best to handle your hair in sections, in little sections, never in one big clump. You also need a lot of patience. If you notice, I'm also doing a different hairstyle, the African threading hairstyle called Some Gaps, and I'm going to link the video on how to make that hairstyle just right up the top right corner. You can also see the video link at the end of this video. So if your hair is drying out, just put some more water, sprinkle it some more water, and do the process. You need a lot of patience with this, and if you do it this way, you will have minimal shedding of the hair. It will only be what is already shed from the hair that you remove, so you wouldn't be snagging your hair or cutting your hair anyhow. You're going to only be removing whatever hair has been already shed in the few days or the few weeks before this. So if you're interested in growing healthy natural hair and interested in tricks and tips to help you to grow your hair fine and long without using expensive products, consider subscribing to this channel because I show you different ways that you can do this. And click on notification bell so that you'll be notified every time you upload a video, and consider also sharing with your friends and anyone else that you think might benefit from our videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Click on the link on the left side to see how I was able to make the African threading hairstyle called Some Gaps, and click on the video on the right side to see how I was able to take down the African threading and trim my hair without using heat. And I'll see you next time. Cheers! Bye!